Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day. Well, today as you can see we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. So let's see what's inside the bag. If we can get it open without cutting anything. Other than the bag, that is. Hang on. Well, maybe. There we go. All right. This comes from NewCraftDay. And we'll start with the one right on top. And it is a 50 by 70. And it was $14.91. Get it out of the bag. The bag got ripped because the sticker stuck to the little something stuck there. So get it out of its plastic bag. Let me lay the other one over this way and get everything out of my freeway. Let's look at the picture. It is beautiful. Isn't that gorgeous? It is just so pretty. And this is a very huge pattern. I mean, paper pattern, shall I say. Just absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. I love all that blue. Of course, that's my favorite color. And I like how there's little bitty pink flowers here. And a little bitty small house. Let's take a look. Let me see if I can get it unfolded. My goodness. I did think they had a big enough piece of paper here. It does come with instructions on it. Let's see how well this is printed. We have 50 colors in this. I'm not seeing any smudges or smears, but this is going to be confetti, confetti, confetti. And it does have bigger areas, like at the top. I can't, let's see, maybe I can. All right, but I see no smudges or smears, but gosh, the pattern is huge, ginormous. But like I said, there's some big areas here, but confetti all the way around through here and through here where all the trees are and all the details, but it is going to be gorgeous. But 50 colors, wowza. Wowza, wowza, wowza. Let me fold it in half so I can look at the colors. So we have 154 mulberry, 310 black, 550 purple, 823, 939, no 3371 or 3770, which is that butter color. And we do have 3865 for the white. Very nice. It does have the colors running down the side. This is not too small. I mean, I can see all the things, but you can see all of that confetti. Oh my goodness gracious. The moon and that background of that sky up in that corner is the biggest area you got to stitch. Oh my goodness. Let's take a look at the colors. They all come in a bag. We have a toolkit with a carp or a koi with 5 needles, poof ball thimble, and needle threader. We'll set that aside. Let's take a look at the bag of thread. Oh my goodness. The bag of thread has how big it is and the product number, which will match paper pattern and canvas. The paper pattern in this will match the canvas for symbols. Let's open this up and see what is going on in here. This is a wad of thread. Get a hold of it. It might need 2 rings in this. I'm going to save that bag. But look at the blues and the dark blues. Trying to get it undone here, and so I can lay it out in my little tiny fist here. That is a fistful of threads. Lots of dark, dark blues. And you do have some light blues. Some corals. Some grays. There is your 939 right there. But oh my goodness. My goodness, this is 823 right here. It's a little bit lighter than 939. Trying not to get them discombobulated here. Oh, goodness gracious. That is a fistful of thread. That is a lot. But just absolutely stunning colors. I hope it's not going to be too dark. I think it'll be fine. Okay, we're going to try this. Okay. Pause. Okay, I'm back. Whew, got that back in that bag. Oh my goodness. My goodness gracious. Now this is going to be kind of wide. It's kind of wide like New Orleans or London. It does have the product number, how big it is. It's 191 by 278. So far, it looks very nicely printed. Oh my goodness, it's going to take a hot moment for this puppy. Yeah, look at all that confetti. Oh my goodness. And then over here, it's kind of almost normal. Kind of. Yeah, until you get into all them trees, and then you get down to that house where all the detail is at. Yeah. And then you got a little bit bigger area down here and in this corner, but very nicely printed, nice soft material. I'm trying to get a hold of it, but very well printed. Is serged all the way around. Holy cow, this will be a winter project, I'm telling you. You could just hold up in a cabin somewhere and just stitch on it, and you wouldn't be done until about fall. Oh my goodness. Let's see what it says it is. It is 68.5 centimeters or 27 inches long. And it is, I'm trying, 49.5 centimeters or 19.5 inches. Actual picture size is 17.25 inches or almost 44 centimeters wide, the actual picture. And up and down it is 63 centimeters or almost 25 inches. I want to measure this way for some reason. It was supposed to be 70. That's 69, so it's 1 centimeter off of how actually big it said it was. But very nicely done. Just absolutely gorgeous. I can hardly wait to start on it. And then, you know, about 2 days later, I'll be going, I don't want to do confetti anymore. Yeah, that's how that goes. Yeah, but I think it'll be beautiful, and I think I'll start with the house. Yep, I'm trying. I don't want to drop it again. Holy cow, that was a mess. So very nice for, what did I say that was, $14? Yeah, $14.91, so $15. So that's a lot of thread and a lot of stitching to do. Let's take a look at the next one, and it was $10.33, and it's a 40 by 53. Let me get it out of its bag. All right, I saved you the crinkling. So, has a very nice little pattern. Isn't that cute? I just thought that was a precious little cat just sitting there. And those flowers, there's just not too much to it, you know. But I liked all the bright, vivid colors. It does have the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. It's a 40 by 53, and it's 148 by 204. Does have the instructions here. Paper patterns will match the canvas. Let's hope this one isn't as confetti riddled as the last one. Oh no. It has 40 colors. Wow. And the only solid part is the cat's body and the cat's head and a little bit on its tail here, but I don't see any smudges or smears or anything. Very nicely done. Let's take a look at the colors. We have 154 mulberry, no 310 black. We have 550 purple, and 823, 939, no 3371, no 3770, and no 3865. So I wonder what they're going to use for white. That'll be interesting. I guess there's not too much white. I think it's more a light pale blue. But yeah, very nicely done though. Very nice. So happy that these are starting to not be smudged and smeared, and it just causes issues. Irritatingly issues. Does come with a toolkit, just like the other one. It has a carp or a koi, 5 needles. I had to look at that. It looked like 6. 5 needles, spoof ball, thimble, and needle threader. These things are a lifesaver, I'm telling you. Let's look at the threads. It does have a sticker on it, 40 by 53, product number same as paper pattern and the canvas. Let's get it out of its baggie here. And I save this bag until I get it all on a ring and contained, because, yeah, it is what it is. So not nearly as much thread as the last one, but it's that much smaller. Let me get it all shook out here. But gorgeous, bright, vivid colors. Golds, browns, tans, browns, purple, jelly bean purple. Look at the teals and turquoises. And there's your mulberry color in there. Got pinks. Let me try to get it over. More turquoise. Look at that green. Oh my goodness. My word, my word. Look at that red. I wonder what color red that is, because I missed that. Is it 666? No, it's 606. It's like, I didn't see 666 red. Hang on. Oh, I had to look, and then everybody went south. I'm telling you. These thread cards are just going to be something else. But at least there's less thread than there was in that last one. But very nicely done. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Just beautiful between darks and lights and brights and vivids. Yeah. And I love the background. You know how this goes. It's beautiful blue. Okay, I'm going to fold that there. Hold that thought. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. Let's take a gander at the canvas. Now this one's a lighter weight. Well, no, I guess not. It's just smaller. But I was going to say it's lighter weight, but it is still kind of stiff. And it pretty much holds its shape. Let's take a look. Very nicely done. Let me hold this up as still as I possibly can. Very bright, easy to see. And it looks like the confetti's like in the flowers. And then you have that background coming through there. So the confetti is more dispersed evenly in this one. Except, you know, you'll have to do that cat. And I'm sure it's in 939. Yep. Very nice. Very nice. Just love all these things with this. I don't know. Is it folk art type look? And the serge, it is serged all the way around, by the way. Serging does not go into the numbers, so it's very easy to see all the numbers. Very well printed. I do love this company. I really do. Whoever's doing these now, they're above and beyond what they used to be, at least even 2 years ago. So, very nicely done. And it's a 11 count. Both of them are. Yeah, very easy to do. Now, if NewCraftDay has any specials going on, or if I have a discount code, I will put it, it'll either be going across the screen earlier. I will look that up, you know, when I edit all this. And I will also put the discount code in the description box below. And if they have any, you know, in-store specials. Now, they have diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all that. They do not have a separate Joy Sunday section. They may now. I'm just not sure. I can't keep track of everybody. But they always have a nice selection, and their prices are really, really reasonable. So do check them out. Thank you, NewCraftDay, for sending me these beautiful kits. We're going to have to start them both. I can see it coming. Oh, yeah. Yeah. But which one first? Yeah, I think I'll take the easy button and start the cat. Maybe? Yeah. We'll see. Thank you for joining me today. I do appreciate each and every one of you. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.